Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to set up 3 mobile network 2 as a eSIM if you are living especially on European country. So the 3 mobile network are supporting entire Europe almost. So if you use physical SIM and you want convert eSIM, it's very simple, no need to go anywhere. You just watch this video and very easily convert as a physical SIM to eSIM. How to do it? It's very simple process. First of all, you need to open here 3.dk. Currently I am living here in Denmark, so that's why I am open here 3.dk. If you are living in UK, so you just type 3.uk, or compulsory you need to open this website 3.dk or 3.com. and after that, look at this here, so many information they are providing, and accordingly if you want convert as other mobile network to 3, so all information is available here. And here the search menu is available. If you search here directly, you have no idea where I go, so just simply type here search eSIM, enter. I just simply enter here, and look at this here, the first link is coming here. If you are not able to find this link, you can put it here, your mobile number, they call you and they provide you instruction very nicely. And here this link is coming, you just simply click here. After that, scroll down, what is eSIM? They are providing basic fundamental information here. After that, you just simply open your phone, get your phone in your hand, press *#06#, and after that you need to put it here EID number. Where you find EID number, if you have iPhone, so you just simply enter the setting about a section, and look at this here, EID number is showing here. So this is a way you just simply put it this EID number here and very easily convert your physical SIM to eSIM using these tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.